wanted to show a real quick way to get white details on a gum piece shell or any other kind of gum piece, just a decoration that has any kind of detail on it. This is a starfish that I made from a mold that's available in my Etsy shop, and I'll put the link on there. But you can use this with any mold that has a lot of detail to it. First, make it out of gum paste or fondant, and then once it's dry, brush it so that it's a solid color. And then you're going to use a real basic technique from painting where you put the color on and then remove it. So I have this is very slightly damp. It's wet, but it's not drippy at all. Just a paper towel with water. And you just want to very gently start brushing. You're not rubbing it, just brush it over the surface, and you see how that's taking off the color and revealing the detail. But it won't take the color off that's deeper into the piece. And you have to be careful that you're not going to take too much off. Just brush it, brush it, brush it. And go around a little bit. You can do this with anything if you have, like seahorse molds. I'm trying to think of the molds that I sell. I have like seahorse molds, chains, anything that has kind of depressions and raised parts that are different colors. But this works especially well for shells because a lot of them have white detail and it's hard to put the color on and keep the detail on. So it's easier just to brush it and remove the color afterwards, and you have a nicely detailed starfish. I'll get those a little more. There you go. See? That's very simple. And that's it.